The essential idea of jobs to be done theory is you're using a framework to figure out what is the job that people are hiring your software to do for them. And so what you want to do is you want to interview a number of customers. I recommend at least 5, ideally 20, to figure out what is the problem that they're trying to solve that made them look for a type of product or service that you offer, and what was the trigger that caused them to look for that solution. What are they trying to achieve, like that outcome that they're trying to achieve and the expectations that they have. And by doing that, then you look through these interviews to look for what are the common trends in the main trigger point that causes them to look for a solution, the pain points that they're trying to alleviate that they know they have, because you can use that in your messaging and just to understand the problem, and then the outcome that they're trying to achieve. And again, you can use that for your marketing message to make sure you're using their language to explain it in a way that they understand. And you also can use these insights to better evolve your product to make sure that you're doing the most efficient thing possible within your, onboarding and just user experience of your software to make sure that you're helping them achieve that outcome in the best way possible.